Hey guys, welcome back to Phone Tricks. In this video, we will learn how to hard reset Poco F3 GT smartphone. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, you need to switch off the phone. So I will press volume up key plus power key together. You need to press and hold for few seconds. After boot, you need to hold the volume up key. It will enter to the recovery menu. Now you need to use volume down or up key to navigate the menu. So we enter into the wipe data, then click power button to enter the wipe data. Again click wipe all data. Now need to click volume down to confirm, then click power. Now the phone data is wiped successfully. Now you can reboot your phone. So that's all guys. I hope this video is very useful to you. If you like this video, hit thumbs up and do subscribe our channel for more updates. Thank you.